Once upon a time, there lived a scholar in Italy. It was that time when Italy was divided and corrupt. This scholar thought of writing a book, a manual of instructions for any person who wants to acquire power and wants to remain in power. The book was called The Prince. The scholar was none other than Machiavelli. Machiavelli is among the most criticized scholars, though, ironically, he is also the most practiced one. Machiavelli came to be associated with all that is evil in politics. In this book, he advises how princes can gain and retain power. However, Machiavelli also asks princes to go far beyond morality, ethics, and humanity to achieve his goals, which is where the book becomes controversial. Machiavelli says politics is not ethics. In politics, the prince has to interact with such people who are not good. Hence, the prince has to learn how to be bad rather than how to be good. But Machiavelli has been criticized for separating ethics from politics. Machiavelli has a pessimistic view about human nature. He says that men are by nature ungrateful, deceitful, fickle-minded, coward, and avaricious. Since man is selfish, man is ungrateful. If his self-interest demands, he will forget the favors done by the others. Hence, he suggests prince that it is better to be feared than to be loved. He further suggests that men are deceitful by nature, they can betray the prince, hence prince should not take the loyalty of any person for granted. Men are also fickle-minded, they easily change sides. Prince can bring this feature of man to his own advantage. Man is fearful, insecure, and coward. This weakness of human nature can be manipulated by the prince. Prince should ensure that people remain permanently dependent on him. Wise prince will convince people that only he can provide security to them. Prince will never follow a policy which makes people self-sufficient. Men are avaricious by nature, extremely materialistic. Hence his advice is not to confiscate the property but execute them, because men can forget the loss of their father but not the loss of their property. Machiavelli further advocates, prince has to be a cold-blooded man. Prince has to be clever like fox and brave like lion. He has to be like fox to understand traps and brave like lion to defend himself against the wolves. Machiavelli gives priority to ends over means. According to him, in politics, ends justify the means. If prince is able to protect the national interest, whatever means he has employed would be treated as just. Therefore, he says, prince should support the use of force and violence. Ends justifies the means. Enemy should be crushed completely. If force to be used, it should be used quickly, not to give enemy time to respond. Machiavelli says, prince's action should not be guided by emotions, rather purely calculated. He should not lose his temper. He should not get provoked by the enemy. He became critic of bringing religion in politics and started talking about the necessity of strict separation between church and the state. Probably because Machiavelli felt that Roman Church was the real cause of disunity and corruption. Church had vested interest in keeping Italy divided. Machiavelli understanding seems to be partial. However, it is also true that if he is partially correct, then he is not entirely wrong. He is concerned about motherland. He was the first person to recommend that army should be made up of nationals and prince should not depend upon mercenary soldiers, which was a tradition during medieval times. Sometimes it is difficult to challenge him. Machiavelli is representing the psychology of capitalists. In Western Europe, emerging bourgeois class provided financial support to native princes to establish law and order that gave security to the people for industries to be established. Machiavelli is responsible for bringing the word Machiavellianism. Psychology refers Machiavellianism to a personality trait that sees a person so focused on their interest that they will manipulate, deceive, and exploit others to achieve their goals. For the complete article, go to paulsainsweb.com.